Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video explains the topic in a clear and easy way so you can follow along step by step. The smoke hits you first. On a Hanoi sidewalk, metal grills sit low to the ground, pork sizzling over glowing charcoal, and the air smells like sweet fish sauce and garlic. Small plastic stools crowd the pavement, and every table holds the same beautiful mess: bowls, herbs, noodles, and dipping sauce. That street stall picture is the true home of Bún Chả. At its heart, Bún Chả is simple: grilled pork, rice vermicelli, fresh herbs, and a light, punchy sauce. Yet the way everything comes together makes it one of the most beloved dishes in Vietnamese food culture. In this video, you will learn what Bún Chả is, how to eat it like a local, and a simple way to make it at home, even if all you have is a stove and a bit of patience. Understanding Vietnamese Bún Chả: origin, flavor, and key parts. Bún Chả is a classic dish from northern Vietnam, especially Hanoi. Locals grow up with it the way others grow up with pizza or tacos. It is familiar, comforting, and easy to crave. Instead of a soup, Bún Chả is a mix and match meal. You get separate parts, then build each bite yourself. That little bit of play at the table makes it fun and personal. A short history of Bún Chả in Hanoi. For decades, Hanoians have bought Bún Chả from street vendors who grill meat right on the sidewalk. Workers, students, and families sit on low stools at lunch, leaning over steaming bowls of sauce full of grilled pork. Charcoal is key. The pork picks up a light smoke that you can smell from half a block away. In busy streets, you might see rows of wire racks covered in pork belly and small patties, flipped quickly over the coals. Bún Chả was already famous in Vietnam, but it reached a wider audience when President Obama and Anthony Bourdain shared a casual Bún Chả meal in Hanoi in 2016. For locals, that moment simply showed the world what they already knew: that this humble street dish is worth crossing the city for. Today, you can find Bún Chả in simple stalls and more polished restaurants, but the soul of the dish still lives on smoky sidewalks. What makes Bún Chả different from other Vietnamese noodle dishes? Many people know pho first. Pho is a hot noodle soup, with broth, herbs, and sliced beef or chicken. Bún Chả is almost the opposite experience. With Bún Chả, the noodles are served cool or at room temperature. The pork is grilled and served in a warm bowl of light sauce, not a full soup. You then dip or mix everything together as you eat. Compared to banh mi, which is a sandwich, Bún Chả feels lighter and fresher, even with the fatty pork belly. The herbs, crunchy vegetables, and bright sauce keep each bite sharp and lively. Bún Chả is also different from bun thit nuong, a southern-style grilled pork noodle bowl. Bun thit nuong often has chopped grilled pork on top of noodles, crushed peanuts, and a bit of sauce poured over. With Bún Chả, you usually get small pork patties and thin slices of pork belly, and the meat sits inside a warm, larger bowl of dipping sauce. The sauce tastes lighter and more sour, with a gentle sweetness that makes you want another bite. The core elements: noodles, grilled pork, herbs, and nuoc cham. 4 main parts make a good Bún Chả. Rice vermicelli noodles, bun. These are thin, white noodles that are soft but slightly chewy. They are usually served in a loose pile, ready for you to pick up with chopsticks. Grilled pork. That's the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.